This is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to link group to Telegram channel. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Telegram channels are a way to share information, news, updates, and other messages with a big audience on Telegram. They can have countless subscribers and only administrators can post in them. And a Telegram group is an online chat room where people can discuss, share information, and build a community. It can be open or public or private. So what if you want to link or add your group to your Telegram channel? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Telegram. Now you can go to your channel. Here's my channel. You can open the channel. Open the information of your channel. Now you can tap on edit here with the pencil icon here. You can tap on that. Now you can tap on discussion here. Here you can add group that you want to link to your Telegram channel. If you already have group, you can choose the group from here. But if you want to create a new one, you can tap on create a new group. Because I've made the group before, I will add this group. Make this channel the discussion group for your channel. Chat history for a new member will be switched to visible. You can tap on link group. Now you can see for the discussion there is a link to your group channel. You can tap on the upper right corner checklist here. And here, if you tap on the discussion in here, you're going to your group channel. It's open. When your members open the information of your channel, they can see there's a discussion section where they're going to the group here. So that is how to link your group to Telegram channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!